we're gonna see if we can get some races today. Some really close matchup we have. We have a 2017 M4. We also have some 335i. Yeah, we got a 5.0. Definitely running today. Here, low-key, I don't know how the race is gonna be with my friend M4, low-key, but maybe if I was tuned on 104 octane, maybe it will be a close race, but I'm pretty sure he got me. But there's only one way to find out. was a close one. I think I jumped it. Let me get some drink.
Interesting, man. No, but I think he has too much weight on him. That's my opinion, you know.
Yeah. Let me know if you guys like the POV action. Listen, if you let me see if you guys look at me. Look at hold on. So this is me right now with a camera on my head. Let me know if you guys like this or if you guys can see me right there. Yeah. Let's catch up to the pack. Damn, that was hard. God damn.
Yeah. Right here in the bridge.
Tunnel
bridge. What?
Yeah, I know. We got 2340i. Stage 1 also.
They're all staged?
Yeah, they all stage 1. Both of them, I think. I heard. Oh, the Audi though. Let me catch up to the Audi.
Wait.
No, we're not. We Mexico. We Mexico, bro. It was a good race.
Shit, that thing's fast as fuck.
Thank you.
What's up?
It doesn't weigh anything.
Yeah, literally.
It doesn't weigh anything. It's not three.
I was like, alright, so he might be a little bit faster than me because I'm making like 410 to the tires.
410 to the tires. Yeah, but you,
600 pounds.
But yeah, I'm 300 and wait, 3,300 pounds.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, but it was good though. It was a good race.
Back.
Yeah. I never raced a 5.0 before, so
like
this is my first time racing a 5.0 too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was my first time racing S3.
S3, hey, there we go.
You beat Derek?
Well, you can say that, but I think I jumped it. So it depends.
Fuck it. I think if you're not racing for money, who cares?
Yeah. Yeah, it's fun. Yes. Yeah.
You had that thing running, right? You got me on the gap cam?
No, I didn't. I didn't have it running. It's a gap cam.
Dual clutch?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So it moved.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't think, I knew there was some sort of auto, but I heard you shift and I was like, damn, shit's fast as fuck.
Yeah.
Yeah. That thing's dope, bro. Good shit.
Yeah, thank you, brother. Thank you. We are in Newport and the road is pretty bad. Not gonna lie. But it's pretty nice. I've never been to Newport. Have you, Kevin?
No.
Yeah, first time. But it's pretty nice, pretty cool. Still in love with this car. Jeez. The other guy left. Oh no, he's right here. The Mustang 5.0. Jeez. Yeah, good. Filling up right now. Almost empty. Go. What's good, Kevin?
All good.
They're really going beast mode. a snap of a finger. Full send. That was the water. The water's bouncing all over the place out back. What are you doing, son?